Miss Addison Sophia Mazingo. It is May 6, 2013. And she is playing with oatmeal and bananas. She ate a lot of it before she did this. Yes, honey. You want to be filmed? And there's Miss Isabel. Yay! Say hi. Say hi. She making a messy mess. Hi, Eddie. Yeah, lots of splatter and. Oh, you got my phone oatmealed. All right, stay down.